Okay. So what is our 61st question? That is, we need to find average rating of customer. We need to count the number of customers whose rating is greater than average rating of the person who is living in city London, right? So here what I have done, I have written one query, select average rating from customer where city equals to London. So what I will get here, I will get here answer that whoever is living in London, what is the average rating of that person? Okay, that people. So first of all, this is my query. Now I need to find the count of customer, right? So here I will be writing select count CNUM. I am writing CNUM because CNUM is unique, right? It is primary key. It is originated with primary key. So here if I am writing CNUM, that means it will give, if I will write name, then for example, there can be more than one person name, right? Vartika can be more than one. Naishargi can be more than one, right? So it will count that thing into single thing, so we cannot get the exact number. So here I am going with id, and here my id is cnum, right? So select count cnum from customer means customer is my table, okay, where now I'm writing condition where rating greater than this thing. Okay, this query I've already written. Now what I'm doing, I'm writing rating greater than this thing, then go to run. Invalid SQL statement. Just a second. Select count CNUM from customer where rating. Select average rating from customer where city equals to London. This should be okay. Okay, see. So what I got here, I got there are total 4 customers whose rating is greater than average rating of London. Okay, understood everyone this query? See, to perform this query, first you need to understand the question and then you need to understand the query. Right? So if there is any doubt, then let me know. After completing this and pasting the screenshot on your Word file, which you are preparing for practical number 5, then write here done. Okay. Okay, if you have completed, please do not forget to take screenshot. Okay. Okay, fine. See the next query. Question of next query, that is 62, that is produce the name and rating of all customers who have above average rating. Okay, so here what change you need to do? Here you need to write select, here you need to write select C name, what they have asked, name and rating, right? So select C name and rating from customer where rating is above average rating from customer. Okay, so here city is not given, so I'm going to remove this condition. Everyone understood why I have removed this? Because here city is not given. Here it is given કે average rating છે એના કરતા વધારે હોય એ rating display કરો, rating અને એનું નામ. તો what we have done here, select C name and rating. જો આ C name column છે અને આ rating column છે. From customer where rating is greater than select average rating from customer. Okay, understood everyone? Perform this thing. If you do not understand, please write here. At last, I'm going to check everyone's screen. What you have completed. I want to see that. Okay. Completed. Now see what is the question of our next query, that is question number 63. Okay, so question number 63 is uh, list all salesmen with customers located in their city. Okay, so we want to list salesman name, then salesman city and salesman commission. Okay, detail of all salesmen from table salesman as well as customer. Why as well as customer? Because see, in question it is given with customers located in their city. So we need to know city of customer as well as city of salesman. Select salesman dot s name, salesman dot salesman dot city, comma Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so next question, that is question number 63. List all salesmen with customers located in their city. So what have I done here? See, I have selected salesman name, salesman number, salesman city and salesman commission. Okay, from table salesman. As well as I have also used table customer. Why I have used customer? Because in question what it is said, salesman and customer both should live, both should be shown in their city. That means both live in their, in the same city. We have to display that thing. Okay, so here I have also used customer table, and then I have applied this condition that salesman city should be equal to customer city. Okay, then go to run. Missing expression, just a second. Select salesman name, salesman number, salesman city, salesman commission from salesman and customer, where salesman city equals to customer city. Okay, see, here I got the answer, right? Here if you are going to write distinct, then you will not get repeated rows. Okay, see, so now you are getting only unique rows. Fine, so this is your answer. Perform this query. ना समझाई तो पूछ ही लेजो प्लीज. Okay, જો ક્વેરીમાં શું કીધું છે? What is the question? Question is list all salesmen with customers located in their city. That means salesman નું city અને customer નું city same હોવું જોઈએ. રાઈટ. તો મેં અહીંયા ક્વેરીમાં શું લખ્યું છે? જો સિલેક્ટ ડિસ્ટિંગ, ડિસ્ટિંગ મતલબ મને રિપીટ ના થવું જોઈએ, બરાબર. સિલેક્ટ, આપણે કઈ કઈ ડિટેલ સિલેક્ટ કરવાની ક્વેશ્ચનમાં નથી આપેલી, તો આપણે આપણી જાતે સેલ્સમેનની બધી ડિટેલ સિલેક્ટ કરી લઈએ. તો મેં સેલ્સમેનનું નેમ સિલેક્ટ કર્યું છે, એનો નંબર સિલેક્ટ કર્યું છે, સિટી સિલેક્ટ કર્યું છે અને કમિશન સિલેક્ટ કર્યું છે, બરાબર. કયા ટેબલમાંથી? સેલ્સમેન ટેબલમાંથી. પછી ક્વેશ્ચનમાં કીધું છે કે કસ્ટમર બી સેમ સિટીમાં હોવું જોઈએ. દેટ મીન્સ મારે કસ્ટમર ટેબલનો બી યુઝ થશે, એટલા માટે હું કસ્ટમર ટેબલ બી યુઝ કરું છું. અને પછી હું એની કન્ડિશન લખું છું કે સેલ્સમેન સિટી ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ કસ્ટમર સિટી, એટલે બંને સેમ સિટીમાં હોય. બરાબર, અન્ડરસ્ટુડ ધીસ? Anyone else any doubt? At last I'm going to ask this question. Okay, છેલ્લે બધાને questions પૂછીશ. Everyone completed? Okay, fine. So take the next question, that is 64. Question number 64 is select all customers whose rating doesn't match with any rating of customer of St. John's City. Okay. So here first we need to select rating of customer where city is St. John's, right? આપણે એવું શું કામ કરવાની જરૂર પડી કેમ કે આમાં શું કીધું છે કે એવી રેટિંગ સિલેક્ટ કરો જેની રેટિંગ કસ્ટમર જે સેન્ટ જોસ સિટીમાં રહી છે એની જેવી નથી, બરાબર? તો આપણે શું કરશું અહીંયા? what I'm going to write here, I will be writing select rating from customer where city equals to સેન્ટ જોસ. બરાબર, હવે મેં શું કર્યું, એક કસ્ટમરનું પહેલા મેં ફાઇન્ડ કરી દીધું કે જે કસ્ટમર સેન્ટ જોસ સિટીમાં રહી છે એનું રેટિંગ તમે સિલેક્ટ કરો, બરાબર? Now what I'm going to do, select star from customer where rating not in. Why I'm using not in? કેમ કે જે બી હું આ ડિટેલ સિલેક્ટ કરું છું એનું રેટિંગ આના જેવું ના હોવું જોઈએ. So that is why I've used here not in keyword. Okay? Should I explain it again if you do not understood? Complete this query, everyone. કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ જાય એટલે મને અહીંયા કહી દેજો. Okay, one more thing. Many students have submitted DE certificate in my Google Classroom. Okay, you need to submit DE certificate in your subject faculty's classroom. That means I think Vidhi ma'am has done that for you, right? Anyone, any idea? If you have submitted in my classroom, then you need, that's okay, that's fine. But you need to submit in Vidhi ma'am's classroom also. Fine. For example, Keyur, Kevin, Shubham Gatia, then in your lab, Poojan, you all have submitted in my classroom. હેલો, સમજાય છે? તમારે લોકોએ છે ને વિદ્યા મેમના ક્લાસરૂમમાં સબમિટ કરવાનું છે. પૂજન, કેવિન, કેયુર, શુભમ ગઢિયા. બોથ સબમિટેડ. ઓકે પૂજન, વોટ અબાઉટ યુ? કેમ કે પછી ત્યાં તમારી ડેટ લેટ જાય એવું ના કરતા. And all other students. Okay, you people are not active today. In fact, I'm noticing this thing from last 2 to 3 labs. Okay, but do not submit in my classroom. Okay, means the link given by me. Fine. So the next question, that is completed this query, everyone. Fine. Okay. So the next query, that is create a union of two queries that shows the names, cities, and rating of all customers. Okay. Those with rating of greater than equal to 200 should display high rating, and those with less than 200 should display low rating. Okay. તો હું કઈ કઈ વસ્તુ પહેલા અહીંયા લખીશ everyone. Please pay attention here. I have to select customer name, then customer number, and then city, comma, rating. Here I am writing, see here in rating I am writing high rating. Okay. Then I am giving one name to that column, that is R. Okay, R is the name of that column attribute. Fine. From customer where rating is greater than equal to 200. Okay, I have done this, plus union select cname, comma cnum, comma city, comma rating. Then I am writing here low rating. Low rating. Okay, let me write that here. Low rating from customer where rating is less than 200. Okay, then go to run. Missing expression. Okay. From keyword not found. Select CNAME, city, rating, high rating from customer where rating. Okay. From keyword not found. Anyone? Any idea where the mistake is? Anyone? What is the error here? If you can find it, please help me. Select CNAME, C number, city, and rating. Go with high rating. From customer where rating is greater than equal to 200. Acha, customer spelling. Okay. Okay, see. So here I got the answer. Fine. See, I got C name, then C number, city, and high rating. Let me give this name as R. Okay. Again that error if I'm writing here R, but I want to write here R. Why I'm doing this? Just a minute, I will show you why I've done this. Okay. Just a second. Select CNAME, CNAME, city, rating, high rating from customer, where rating greater than equal to 200. See here in this line, it should show that it is high rating or low rating. That's why I was doing this procedure. But just a second, let us solve this query. Anyone, if you find the solution, please let me know. Actually, it was working, but I don't know what is the mistake here. What if I write R here? Should it work? It should. Okay, it is having with problem. Okay. From customer. What if I write here R? Now I want to display here. Uh, High rating and low rating. I want to display that thing. Anyone, any idea? Yash, Vartika, Naishargi, can you help me? Shubham, Deven, Poojan, can you help me? Okay, I forgot to do here. Okay. Sorry. Network issues, so it is taking time for output. Perform this query. See what you will get rather than getting here 300, 200, 100. You will get here high rating, high rating, and low rating. Fine. Everyone, please try this and let me know what you get the output. Okay, that R is written so that column name will be displayed as R. સિટી નેમ એવી રીતે જે ઉપર કોલમ નેમ આવે ને એમાં ઈ કોલમ નેમમાં આર આવશે. યસ, કરેક્ટ આન્સર નૈશાર્ગી. Okay, see, I got here. Fine. See, I got here. I have displayed customer name, customer number, city, and rating, right? Then in R, it is written whether it is high rating or not. 200 થી નીચે આવશે એમાં लो रेटिंग આવશે. For example, this 100 and 200 और 200 से ऊपर जो भी होगा उसमें हाई रेटिंग लिखा हुआ आएगा. Fine. Got the answer, everyone? Shubham, why are you late? Shubham Goswami, why are you late? Yeah, but why? What is the reason for you being late? Everyone completed this? See, try the next query by yourself. Select customer name from order customer table, where order number and customer number join that both table, and then find the customers whose order was on 3rd October 1990. Okay, try this query by yourself and let me know. If you do not get answer, then I will help you out. Take 5 minutes of time. You can see the previous queries which you have worked on and check whether you get the answer or not. Or else I am there to help you, but first check by yourself, okay? Completed anyone? Should I write here? Should I write here that query or completed? Please let me know if I can write here or you have done it. Anyone, can you please answer me? Should I write here or you will do it by yourself? Please let me know. You are not answering. What is this? Okay, I am doing that. See, so what we need to do here, you have to just a second, okay. You have to select. Now you are working on find all customers with order. Okay, so you need to display customer name, right? You can also display customer name and customer number if you want. but you have to display customer name for sure. So here I am only writing customer name from order table, or my order table name is order 1, right, comma customer table, that is customer itself. Okay, where order 1, see, now when we are joining two tables at that time, when we are joining two tables at that time, what we are writing, we are joining table by common column, common attribute, right? Dot c num or dot s num, whatever it is. So here I am writing order 1 dot cnum equals to customer dot cnum, fine, and now to display the order of date, particular date, what we need to write, to care, that is our keyword, right, as we discussed previously, order date, comma, now you have to write here date format. So our date format will be month dash day dash year. Okay, after that I have to display here the date. So date should be 3rd October 1990. So here then day, so day is then year, right? Then go to run, perform this query. See, I'm having output. Just a second, I think I need to relog in this portal. Try this query which I have written here. Due to some network issue, I'm not able to. See, so here what I got the answer Kirit, because Kirit's order was on 3rd October. Okay. અહીંયા મેં શું લખ્યું છે query માં select C name from order 1 customer, that means order 1 table customer table. ઓકે, જ્યાં ઈ બંનેને મેં જોઈન કર્યું છે. નાવ સી, અત્યાર સુધી આપણે એમ જ જોયું કે બંને ટેબલને જોઈન કરવાનું. So what if we do not join the table? What if we do not join the table? See here, if you do not join the table, then also you will get the answer, but that answer will not be correct. Okay, that answer will not be correct. Why not correct? કેમ કે આપણે અહીંયા એવું નથી લખતા કે ઓર્ડર 1 અને ઓર્ડર 1 માં અને કસ્ટમરમાં બંનેમાં સી નંબર સેમ હોવા જોઈએ. તો જોઈન ક્વેરી ખોટી પરફોર્મ થશે. બરાબર? That is why it is required. Understood everyone? Okay, perform this query and let me know here. Yes, you can also do that. You can write that select start from customer, because specific things are not given in question. Okay, completed? Fine. Now see the next query, that is find all customers having rating greater than any customer in Rome. Now you just need to write, we have performed one query for London, right? Average rating of London. So here you have to write maximum rating from customer where city equals to not London but Rome. Okay, you just need to make these two changes. City should be changed into Rome and average should be changed into max. Okay, perform this query, next query. Completed? Complete this and let me know, please. Everyone, complete it. Done? Okay. Okay, fine. So check the next question. What is the next question? Check that. Next question is insert a row into salesman table with the values as number. It should be S number is 1008, salesman name is Rakesh, city is unknown, and commission is 14%. Okay. So now if I want to display only this much things, then what am I going to write here? See, if you want to insert something, we have to use insert command, right? So here I am using, okay, so here I am using insert into which table? Question માં શું આપેલું છે? Insert into salesman table, right? So here I am writing salesman. Now see, three things are given: S number, S name, and commission is given, and it is said city unknown. So city you should ignore. Okay, and other three things you have to write. બાકી આપણે બધામાં ઇન્સર્ટ કરવું હોય તો આપણે ઇન્સર્ટ ઇન્ટુ સેલ્સમેન કરીને પછી સીધું વેલ્યુઝ લખીને કરી દેતા બધું ઇન્સર્ટ સોરી, આમાં ઈ નથી કરવાનું. બરાબર, અહીંયા શું લખશું આપણે? S num which is given, S name which is also given, and city is not given but commission is given. So here I am writing COMM commission. Okay, now I have to write values. સીધું વેલ્યુઝ ના લખ્યો, શું કામ? કેમ કે મને ત્રણ જ વસ્તુ ઇન્સર્ટ કરવાની જ, ફોર્થ વન નથી કરવાની. Okay, now I am writing here values, and now you have to write all the things which is given, that is S1008, that is your salesman number, then salesman name, that is Rakesh, and then commission is 0.14. Okay, then go to run. Column not allowed here. Why it is said column not allowed here? Insert into salesman, then S number, S name, commission, then values. Okay, this all things is okay. Why it is not allowed here? S number, that is S1008, then S name, that is Rakesh, and commission, that is 0.14. Okay, you try to do this, whether it is working on you or not. Column not allowed here. ઓકે, તમે લોકો ટ્રાય કરો તો તમારામાં ચાલે છે ક્વેરી? Rakesh, I have written. Okay, sorry. I need to write this. Okay, thank you. Now run this query, everyone. Is it working? Check this and let me know then. Query. See the next query. Create another table, London staff, having same structure as salesman table. Okay, you need to create another table. This you know, we have performed this query, right? So perform this, try this by yourself. Perform this query. Let me know after completing the next query. till 75 because all queries are repeating, રાઈટ. 75 સુધી બધી ક્વેરી કમ્પ્લીટ કરી દો. 10-15 મિનિટ હું તમને આપું છું અત્યારે. ફાઇન. પછી જે ના આવડે એ તમે મને કહેજો, એ આપણે સોલ્વ કરશું. બાકી તમને જેટલી આવડે છે બધી ખતમ કરી દો. ઓકે, ટેક 15 minutes and write in chat box whether you are facing any doubt here or if there is any error. Okay. Completed anyone? Please write your status. How many queries have you completed? Everyone, write your status. How many queries you have completed? 69. Yash, I have asked you to complete for other queries also. 70, 71, 72. All queries are repeating. So you need to complete that also. What about others? Other than Yash, Poojan, Naishargi, Vartika, Shubham Goswami. If you do not know any query, please write here. I will explain that query, okay? Write by yourself. If you do not know, then I will explain it to you. Okay, we will do one thing. First, everyone complete the queries which you know. Right now, you complete the queries which you know, okay? Once you are not able to do it, let me know, then we will do it. Where is Poojan and Shubham Goswami? You people are there? Poojan and Shubham Goswami? Poojan 70. Okay, and Shubham Goswami, are you there? Yes. Then what is your answer? Why you people are not answering? I do not know that.